For this assignment, you're going to be creating charts in Excel, and you're also going to be interpreting them. Now I'm going to demonstrate an example for you that you can use to guide you through the 3 exercises that you're going to turn in at the end of the week. The first thing that you want to do is highlight the data. You can see here that there are 2 columns. One column represents the day, so that means the day that they actually took a measurement, and the other column represents the number of nightmares. So highlight both of those columns, then go to Charts, Line, Marked Line, and when you click on that, a chart will appear. I tend to delete the title, so you're welcome to either delete it or leave it. It's up to you. And then make it large so that you can actually really scrutinize the change that took place. The next thing you're going to want to do is implement the line that will separate the baseline and the intervention phase. So we can see from the text here that the baseline occurs until day 4 and the intervention begins on day 5. So in order to draw the line, we need to find the in-between between day 4 and day 5. So that would probably be right about here. Now in order to insert the line, we want to go to Insert, Picture, select Shape, and a screen should appear. And on that screen, you're going to select the line icon. Make sure you select a line that does not contain an arrow. Select the line, and once you've selected it, you'll be able to insert it into the chart. Now remember, we want the line to appear with dashes. So in order to do that, you need to select line and dashed, and then I usually select the 4th one down. So now you can see the difference between the baseline and the intervention. And the next thing you're going to want to do is decide whether there's an increase, a decrease, or no change between the baseline and the intervention. Now, based on this chart, I would assert that there is a decrease in the number of nightmares. You can see for day 4, day 5, day 6, and day 7, and even to day 8, the nightmares remain about the same. But on day 9 and 10, we're starting to see a decrease. So for each of the following exercises, you're going to report what you think the chart is telling you. And the exercises can be viewed by clicking on the sheets that are listed along the bottom side of the Excel file. So here's exercise 1, exercise 2, and exercise 3. You can see on exercise 2 that there's 3 different sets of data. I would encourage you to create 3 different charts, or you can create one large chart to see what the differences are between each of them. So please follow the directions and let me know if you have any specific questions about the assignment.